morning, dear students. How are you? Hope you all are better and fine at your homes. And as you know, your exams are coming now. So today we will also do our written revision work. Okay? We write the letters from K to R. Okay? So are you ready for the class? So let's start our writing work. Okay? Take out your notebook and also take out your rubber, pencil and eraser, all these things. Okay, so let's start our writing work. What we will do first we will mention the date here. So you write the date in your notebook. Today is 17, first month is going on, then 22nd. Okay, yes. After that, draw 2 lines to divide the page into 3 columns. एंड एज यू ऑल नो कि एग्ज़ाम्स में जो है लेटर्स बीच बीच में से आते हैं, है ना. तो आज हम भी अपने रिटर्न वर्क का जो रिवीजन करेंगे वो बीच बीच में से लेंगे लेटर्स. हमारा सिलेबस है K to Z इंग्लिश का. कहाँ से आएगा? K to Z. लेकिन उसमें आपको बीच में से भी टीचर्स पेपर में पूछ सकते हैं, ठीक है ना. यस. सो फर्स्ट वी विल राइट लेटर्स फ्रॉम K to R, है ना. अब यहाँ आपको क्या करना है? स्टार्ट कहाँ से करना है? लेटर्स K से. और एंड कहाँ करना है आपको? R पे. ठीक है. K से लेके हम लेटर्स लिखेंगे सीक्वेंस में K L M N O P Q R. Is that clear to you all? Yes. So let's start our letter K. How to write letter K? First, draw one standing line. After that, on the front of the standing line, we put one dot by taking some gaps with one dot on the pink line, and again come down and put one dot on the third line, that is our black line. After that, match both the dots from the middle line. Okay, like this. Come from top to the middle and don't pick up your pencil, and from there you have to draw one right small slanting line from middle to the bottom for making our letter K. Okay, now which letter will come? Now letter L will come. Okay, how to draw? First draw one standing line, then don't pick up your pencil, then draw one small sleeping line from on the third line, that is our black line. Okay, so this is our letter L. Okay, now which letter will come? Now our letter M will come. So how to draw letter M? First draw one standing line. After that, by taking some gap, again we will draw one more standing line. Then in between the third line you have to put one dot on the middle of the both standing lines. Okay, after that draw one right slanting line from top to the bottom, है ना. And then from right side you have to draw one left slanting line from top to the bottom. So this is our letter M. M के बाद letter कौन सा आता है? Tell me. Letter N will come. Draw one standing line. Again by taking some gap, draw one more standing line. After that, from left to right you have to draw one slanting line from top to the bottom. Okay, like this. Yes. And after N, which letter will come? Yes, our letter O. So draw letter O. For making our letter O, we have to draw one left big curve, come down slowly, touch the third line, then go upside and match this line with the C curve. Okay, yes. After that, which letter will come after O? Letter P. How to draw? Draw one standing line. After that, again go upside and draw one right small curve from top to the middle like this. So this is our letter P. Then again come down. P के बाद कौन सा लेटर आता है? Q. So write here letter Q. It is similar as letter O. So first we will draw letter O. After that, put one dot in the middle of the letter O, and after that put one more dot on the right side of the letter, outside of the letter. ठीक है? हम क्या करेंगे? यहाँ पे एक छोटी सी small, we will draw one small right slanting line, okay, from middle to the bottom and touch the third line. After that, which letter will come after Q? Then our letter R will come. Draw one standing line, then draw one small right curve from top to the middle, and don't pick up your pencil. After that, from there you have to draw one right small slanting line like this and touch the third line and stop there. Okay, so this is our letters from K to R. K से start किया था और end कहाँ किया हमने? R पे. इसी तरह से आपको और भी letters लिखने आ सकते हैं बीच में से, जैसे कि चलिए अब हम अपने next letters का रिवीजन करेंगे. Letters, we write the letters from S to Z. Okay, yes, like this. Okay, okay, है ना? पेपर में आपको K से लेके Z तक पूरा सिलेबस है, K से Z तक, और बीच में से कहीं से भी पूछ सकते हैं. ओके, सो नाउ स्टार्ट राइटिंग द लेटर्स फ्रॉम S. Okay, first we will write our letter S. For making our letter S, we draw one left small curve from top to the middle, then turn your pencil and make from there a small right curve for making letter S. ठीक है? Now which letter will come after S? Letter T. For making letter T, we have to first draw one small sleeping line, and from middle of the sleeping line we have to draw one standing line from top to the bottom. Yes. Then which letter will come? Letter U will come. So first we will draw one standing line from top to the middle only, then we make one U curve from second to third line. Okay, after that again turn that line, and after that when we reach on the second line, then we have to draw from there, we have to draw one standing line from middle to the top. ठीक है ना? सबसे पहले हम यहाँ पे एक छोटी सी स्टैंडिंग लाइन खींचेंगे, फिर एक यू टर्न लेंगे, है ना, थर्ड लाइन को टच करते हुए, फिर से सेकंड लाइन पे जाएंगे यू टर्न लेते हुए, उसके बाद फिर से थर्ड बीच वाली लाइन से ऊपर वाली लाइन तक आपको एक स्टैंडिंग लाइन ही ड्रॉ करनी है. ठीक है ना? हाँ, यस. नाउ विच लेटर विल कम? लेटर वी विल कम. ओके, how to draw letter V? For making our letter V, we have to draw two slanting lines. Okay, first from top to the bottom we will draw one right slanting line. After that we will draw left slanting line. Don't pick up your pencil. From there you have to draw one left slanting line from bottom to the top for making letter V. हाँ, इसी तरह से लेटर V के बाद आता है W. हाउ टू ड्रॉ लेटर W? फर्स्ट ड्रॉ वन राइट स्लैंटिंग लाइन एंड डोंट पिक अप योर पेंसिल, एंड अगेन गो अपसाइड एंड ड्रॉ वन लेफ्ट स्लैंटिंग लाइन एंड डोंट पिक अप योर पेंसिल, अगेन ड्रॉ वन राइट स्लैंटिंग लाइन, एंड फ्रॉम bottom to the top you have to draw one more slanting line. Okay, yes, left slanting line for making our letter W. This is our letter W. After that, which letter will come after W? Yes, X. So draw letter X. How to draw? First, draw one right slanting line from top to the bottom. After that, again draw one left slanting line. Okay, left slanting line from top to the bottom and cross the first slanting line. Okay, इस तरह से ड्रॉ करनी है कि फर्स्ट लाइन को ये क्रॉस करे, सेकेंड स्लैंटिंग लाइन. ठीक है ना? Yes. After that, which letter will come? Y. Y will come. Okay. Make one small V. ठीक है ना? क्या करेंगे हम? सबसे पहले छोटी सी स्लैंटिंग लाइन खींचेंगे फ्रॉम टॉप टू द मिडिल. एक छोटी सी राइट स्लैंटिंग लाइन ड्रॉ की हमने. फिर हम दूसरी साइड से ऊपर जाएंगे फिर से पिंक लाइन पे एंड वहाँ से हम ड्रॉ करेंगे एक लेफ्ट स्लैंटिंग लाइन फ्रॉम टॉप टू द बॉटम दैट टच द फर्स्ट स्लैंटिंग लाइन. ओके, यस. आफ्टर वाई विच लेटर विल कम? Z. So write the letter Z here. Draw one small slipping line upside on the first line, that is our pink line, and don't pick up your pencil. From there you have to draw one left slanting line. Okay, from top to the bottom. After that, from there you have to draw one more small slipping line on the third line, that is our black line. Okay, so this is our letters from S to Z. ठीक है, चलिए तो आप भी do practice these letters at your home children. आप लोगों को ये letters अच्छे से draw करना है और एग्जाम में सभी को 3 lines पे लिखना है. Always write the letters on the 3 line and write neatly. Okay, so this is our written work revision and we will meet in our next class. Till then, bye bye to everyone.